Magic color boxes. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Subscribe and like. Let's go! Children, what's inside the yellow box? This is a banana. Children, what's inside the green box? This is a kiwi. Kids, what's inside the next orange box? This is an orange. Kids, what's inside this purple box? These are grapes. Children, what's inside the red box? This is an apple. Kids, what's inside the next blue box? Ooh, this is a blueberry. Kids, what's inside the last rainbow box? They are fruits. We learned so many fruits. Which one is your favorite? Write in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye-bye.